What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So these people you see police are holding, they are dragging to the they are arresting them. You can see they are workers, they are construction workers. You can see them. So these people are illegal immigration, which South African police catch. You can see they are working in that building. So I want you guys to drop your comment, and I want you guys to drop your thoughts. So, and I want you guys to subscribe, and I will let you to watch the video. You see what they are saying in the video. So let's go.
Get in. Move. Get in. Move.
As you guys have seen this video so far, these people that were arrested in this video are mostly from Zimbabwe. Let's just say out of these people, because this video is not showing they are not showing all of them, they are not showing everybody that were arrested. So but most of these people that were arrested in this video are from Zimbabwe. Yeah, so they are doing a labor work from construction for construction company, and they land this, and these people register as a worker in South Africa. So they don't have document, but they register, and the company employ them. So these people, even they are collecting a low pay, nothing will change, you know. The South African construction companies and people, they'll just feel like, okay, since you are illegal immigration, you just come here to survive. You just come to South Africa to survive, so they can pay them anything. So when the government find out that these people, they are working under construction company, they are not registered, they don't have documents, anything, so the police, they send the police to take all of them, and now they will be sent back to their country, or they will have to face the law in South Africa. So I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. I want you guys to like, comment, and share. Peace.